With a $2.5 million sale, the Pudgy Penguins NFT collection moves on to the next chapter. The collection of 8,888 digital penguins was sold for $750,000 to law-based entrepreneur Luca Nets. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. After a long-awaited $750,000, $2.5 million sale, the Pudgy Penguins non-fungible token (NFT) project has a new leader. According to persons familiar with the arrangement, a consortium led by Pudgy Penguins owner and Los Angeles-based entrepreneur Luca Nets would buy control of the initiative, as well as royalties from the project's original 4 co-founders. Along with his associate Cameron Moulin and numerous other stakeholders, Nets will be the new leader of the huddle. The buyers group will have control of the project, allowing them to issue a token and conduct airdrops to other NFT series holders, among other things. The agreement comes after the Pudgy Penguins founding crew was voted off in an acrimonious Discord poll in January. Owners of the adorable flightless digital birds have been waiting for news on the project's uncertain future since then. "This deal has taken a lot longer than I expected," said Nets, who last spoke with CoinDesk in January, when he and the previous founding team reached a preliminary agreement. As reports of a transaction completion floated on Friday, Pudgy Penguin trading soared on NFT marketplace OpenSea. After trading swung between 0.7 and 1.4 ETH in recent weeks, the floor price of a Pudgy Penguin rose as high as 2.5 ETH. The cheapest penguin on offer cost 2.2 ETH at the time of publication. Nets planned to announce the sales end on social media late Saturday, and in an interview with CoinDesk on Friday, he said the transaction was 100% not an April Fool's joke, which explains why he decided to wait until after April 1 to go public. "Everything is in place to make this one of the most well-known initiatives of all time," Nets added, declining to elaborate on specific roadmap items but implying at least one retail relationship. The Pudgy Penguins collection, which was launched in July 2021, has grown to be one of the most popular NFT collections, with over 49,000 Ether in trading volume on the NFT marketplace OpenSea. It was mentioned in a New York Times article about the NFT movement last summer, and it now has superstars like NBA All-Star Steph Curry and rapper Tory Lanez as owners. "My first NFT buy was penguins," Nets told CoinDesk. He was intrigued to the collection because the digital penguins, who are dressed in anything from wizard hats to bow ties, emit joy, he adds. Last summer, Nets bought his first penguin for about 0.1 ETH. "When looking at an NFT project, it's a fascinating experience to feel," Nets stated. "The most compelling collections are those that provoke emotion." The project's initial reception was described by Twitter user Joey Moose as so darn cute, and everyone loved them. During an emotional Pudgy Penguins Twitter Spaces event, Joey Moose, who owns a Pudgy Penguin with a green mohawk, developed the collection's popular rallying cry, "I am my penguin and my penguin is me." Nets, who created a successful drop-shipping firm before dabbling in NFTs, says he'll be in charge of the project's marketing and hopes to make the Pudgy Penguins a brand that's known both inside and outside of the NFT industry. "It would be fiscally irresponsible if I didn't do that," Nets said when questioned about a prospective Pudgy Penguin toy. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. Finally, check the resources to more detailed information on Metaverse investing, decentralized finance, Defi, and NFT, non-fungible tokens, investing guides in the description box below.